Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio. Today we're going to show you how we slump these cone flowers that we just got out of the kiln. And I thought first of all I would mention that I keep a notebook of notes for my kiln and the kiln work that I do. And here towards the back are the notes that I keep, how hot on different projects I go up, just so that I can keep a good record as to what worked and what didn't. So now on the coneflower, I took it up to 1450. That's as hot as I wanted to go. Now we're going to slump it. So I'm going to take this little piece, place it directly on here, and that'll slump it down. It'll give it a little bit of an impression in the middle and just give it that perfect flower look. And now we're going to do this guy. Look what's going to happen with him. It's going to...
What's to keep it from falling off?
Gravity. I don't know.
Okay.
It could fall off. It could. But that's going to really be an interesting slump. Okay, and when that slumps over, it's going to put all those ridges in the bottom of it. So that'll give it a really neat look. Alright, so on this one, I'm only going to take it up to 1200. See if I can... Alright, so now we want to go down. Okay, and there we go. We're not going to hold it at all. We're just going to take it down to can't take it down to above 1200. Yeah, that's probably good, about 10,000, close to it. And we'll continue on down. And there it goes. Okay. We'll look at it when we get it out. Won't that be fun? We've done the slumping process, so we're going to check on it now. And what do you know? Look at that. Huh. Comes right off. This is the big one.
You see the other side?
It looks like a shuttlecock for badminton.
No, that's actually awesome.
Yeah. And look how shiny it is here. Now what we're going to do to finish this flower is we're going to take a stiff wire and we're going to curl it around, and then we're going to silicone it right in here, because that's a nice pocket that it'll go into. Now there, I can feel that there's edges on here, and I'm going to have to use the grinder on that to get that all right. And then let's see what this one looks like. So it's just got a little dimple in it. And there you have it. We've made our first two cone flowers in our mold. And I don't know, I think this looks like a pretty good project. I think other people would enjoy doing it. But you got to make sure you put lots more frit in it than you thought you needed.
These beautiful blue and orange and yellow ones. And now we're going to try a different color. So we're going to put yellow down first. I've got the powdery yellow. Pretty much going to fill that. Okay, now let's do orange over that. Gonna be so fun. I love how it has red, kind of reddish specks in it. Actually, it's just a darker orange, isn't it? Ooh. Okay. Now, I want to put let's try the black around the very edge.
You'll have to get a broom on it.
No. Should I do
Get a
that?
flux brush. It hasn't been used.
Okay, but shouldn't I?
You're going to have to brush it out and get it over into the edge of the other one.
Don't you love when you can see other people's mistakes on YouTube? And you can say, I'm never going to do that.
Now scoop it up into the trough. You got plenty on the edge.
That's cute.
It's how we sweep floors.
Some more? Okay. And that's how you fix that mistake. Okay. Now, red for the rest.
You're going to fill the whole thing up all the way. So
Oh,
remember how shrunk down it was before when we...
so over all the colors. Good?
Fill it up. Keep going. Okay, I think you need some more on the big one. Now you remember what I said was that you have to put more in than you think you need.
I kind of did. Like it's over the top. What do you think? More?
I had to put quite a bit more in when it shrunk up in the kiln last time. All right.
Okay.
See how much has shrunk already?
I did it! Yay!
All right. All right, the kiln's cooled down enough so we can now see what this new coneflower looks like. Look, there's a little indentation in the middle of each of these two. Isn't that interesting? All right, I'll take them out here. We'll get them over to the table. They've done some good cooling. Look at that.
Pretty.
Oh, look at that. That's a very pretty little... I'll have to wash them good and grind them, but
Oh, they're very pretty.
there they are. So, need to be ground and cleaned off. I'm not sure if I'm going to slump these two or not. All right. And so there you have it. We have done a molded coneflower in the kiln. I hope you've enjoyed this couple of videos and you'll join us on our next video. See ya.